This is Chicago's very own WGN Midday News.
Crews are cleaning up after the destruction left behind by a system of overnight storms that knocked down a lot of trees. Good Wednesday morning, everybody. I'm Patrick Elwood.
And I'm Dina Bear. Thank you for joining us. Glenn Marshall's in Roscoe Village with a look at some of the damage there. Glenn?
Hey, good morning, guys. Like you just said, the strong winds from those storms last night knocked down a lot of tree limbs in the Chicagoland area. This is one of those situations here on School Street. This is in Roscoe Village, but this is what you could see across Chicagoland, including the suburbs where multiple people were injured. A tree fell on a yellow line train tracks in the Dempster-Skokie stop. At one point suspended services. The storms caused a tree to fall on a vehicle in Elgin, leaving 2 people with injuries. You can see where a branch went through the windshield. Out in the northern suburbs, crews removed a tree off of a home in Round Lake Beach. The homeowner telling us no one was injured. Over at O'Hare Airport, wind gusts reached up to 55 miles per hour. The storm has caused power outages across Chicagoland. At some point, ComEd saying over 20,000 customers were without lights. We know that the number has now just decreased to a couple of thousand people still without power. In the meantime, we can report that there were no fatalities due to those strong winds and those storms that happened overnight. I'm going to send it back to you guys in the studio.